if you can make a video on how to add favorites, so to add on how to add to favorite someone from the list and show them in a favorites page. So the first thing I thought of was to use SQLite. So Flutter has a SQFLITE package. So we'll just install this. Let's see. In the public spec YAML, packages get, save it, and then packages get, and then yeah, pretty much I'll leave the link to everything in the description as well. So why is it not lit? Okay. So they have a small tutorial on here, so I'll just walk through it. We'll just use the people instead of a dog model. We have a people model, I believe, or person, whatever, person, yeah. So we're gonna first let's bring up a device. So I'll do iOS. I'll run it real quick, just so I have it loaded. And we'll do it in the people detail page. So, all right. So I'll just, let's see. I'll do it above this raise button, above the share button. So do another raise button. And we'll add the child, which is just a text. We'll just add a text, and we'll make it add to favorites, I guess. I can't spell. We need a comma there, and on pressed. So we'll do. Let's see. Let's go back. We need to import path and SQLite. I believe path is already in there. I think we have a sync already. Yep. So let's import those. We have a model class, which is the person class already. So we'll just use this. We could actually just save it to the database when we load it. When we load the JSON, so it'll be fast. But I'll just do it for the favorites for now. We could also do an add to favorites using Firebase or Parse SDK. I do want to use Parse SDK and Firebase later. I'm not sure if I want to use it with Star Wars. If y'all want it with Star Wars, I plan on making a social media app later. So, all right, you open the database first. You give it a name of the database. You create a table, which is in the same open database method there. So show you how to enter. It's all pretty simple. Yeah, to retrieve the list. It's almost all the same code. Retrieve, update, CRUD, all the CRUD operations. Create, read, update, delete. Delete. Let's show you the full example here. So yeah, we'll run this open database in sets or initState. I'm not sure if they have an initState here. Yeah, but I'll go ahead and do that. Yeah, they're just running it. Where do they call open data? I'm trying to see. Oh yeah, they're just calling it right there, actually, in the main method. But I'll do this in initState. So yeah. So let's just copy this open database stuff. And so we wanted to show, when we click add to favorites, we'll give it another color. Just I do want to style this up and use like block or mobx or provider later on, but I really want to give y'all videos that y'all want first. Um, yeah, so people detail right. We'll change this color. So I believe it just has a color. Yeah, so colors dot, isn't it usually yellow? I guess favorites all. But you can change the text of this color, so or the color of this text. So style, then it's use text style, and in there you put the color. You do colors dot, I'll do black. Let's see. All right. Or should we do black? Yeah, we should do black. We should switch these. When I go into Zon, I get really deep. That's why I haven't gotten to it yet on this app. I want to show how to use XD. Actually, XD's coming out with a plugin where you can convert your. Well, it's another company, but they're working with XD, I believe, at Flutter. So basically, you turn your XD designs into the UI code. It doesn't give you backend, but at least gives you the UI code. So yeah, we probably need to style this up a little bit. But yeah, that's good for now. So I actually want the top bar to be black and yellow like this, but oh well. I don't see when I start getting to Zon, I get really deep. I might do a Adobe XD thing and then go and show you how to implement it here. I don't know. Yeah, anyways, let's keep going. So open database. So really we'll do where am I? Okay. So do I have initState anywhere? Not sure if I needed to use it. Yeah, I don't have it. Make sure. Yeah, okay. Actually, you want to put this in over here. Do I have the variables anywhere around here? Oh, well, that's weird. But anyways, so we'll do initState. initState. If it'll show up. Man, this is funny. Okay. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, I don't know why it does that sometimes, but anyways, let's copy this code. Yeah, we'll put this so he's away. We'll put this in its own. Okay. I'm not assigning it to string. Anyways, yeah, we'll put this code init db. Oh wait, feature init db sync. Sync. All right. So we'll just copy that right there, and we'll call. So initState only, did I mention it? I mentioned this in another video. I believe we did it in this video. Yeah. So it only gets called once. First time you open the screen, basically. So every time you call set state, it doesn't get re-rendered. So instead of doggy database, let's do what is it? Person database. I'll just keep it consistent with the name of the model. Oh, this sucks. So what can we even use? We don't have an integer. Let's look at the JSON real quick. See if we can find something we can use. So I'm sure. Okay. All right. Let's see if we find an integer. I guess we can. No. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I'll just add on as we go. I'll do a random number or something. No, I want it to be actually, yeah, we'll use the index of wherever it is. Let's see how we do that. What do we pass? We just pass the person object. So yeah, we could pass the index as well, I guess. I'm just trying to think. So anyways, let's get back to it. So integer ID, or just pass that. Okay, and then I'm gonna copy this one. Let's make sure I get everything. So we'll do height. All these will be pretty much text because we're not really converting it to an int. Do height, mass, hair color, gender. Everything will be a text, but that's what it is. We're not converting the height or mass or anything. So we could make those. Yeah, we'll do that in another video, maybe. We could convert those to an integer and then sort it. Use that to sort. Or we could sort. It should still sort. It sorts text weird when it's or numbers weird when it's actual string. But yeah, anyways, that should work. Let me make sure. Height, mass, hair color, skin color, eye color, right here, ginger text. Okay, that's fine. So. So we can copy all of this data. We can put in another class, but just so you understand it better, I'll just do it like this. We'll make a to-map function. Do we have one? I don't know. We'll look, but yeah, I'll need that. So I'll copy, delete, update, create, and list. Yeah. I'll just put it right under here, under init. We'll create that to map function. Should call it people. I don't know. People, I guess. I don't know. Well, we don't need lists right here, really. But I'll go ahead and do the code. We just copy it over. Because we'll make another screen that will show it in. So. Do we have name in it? Yeah, we do have a name. Did we put name? Oh, we never put a name. Yeah, that's what we missed. So you can put it in any order. It doesn't matter. I'll just to be consistent. So we'll add ID here. All right, so age. What is this doing, people? We'll do this when we get to the other thing. We actually showed the list. Update. I won't do update because we're just gonna add it to favorite. We're gonna do add and delete to favorites, basically. We'll have a delete button on the list of favorites, I guess. So yeah, we're not changing the data, so we never really need to update it, I guess. So I'll make another video where we have to update it or something. I mean, you'll get the idea of it. It's the same as delete, update. The update is the same as delete and insert. So delete person. Do it by ID. Okay. What does the toMap function even do? Let's check it out. I mean, that's whatever. We'll copy it. It's the same. I'll show you. So whatever. It's basically the reverse of from JSON. Or this is kind of like to JSON. Anyways, yeah. So anyways, toMap. So we'll just copy all this. Oops. No, that's fine. We'll just do it. Dang, I ran it. Okay, whatever. So how's this? What is this supposed to be there? I don't remember. Oh, this is the film stuff. How to even should have, man. What's wrong with the films? Oh, maybe because I saved it. I don't know. Okay, so let me save it again. I'm just trying to make sure. Yeah.